This is Anum Gul, and you're watching Dunya TV on your screen. Today we bring you a powerful story of Pakistan's unmatched bravery, bold decisions, and fearless stance in the face of long-standing regional tensions. In a major development, Pakistan has decided to end the Simla Agreement, a move that signals a complete shift in its approach toward India. But what exactly was the Simla Agreement? When was it signed? And why is Pakistan now walking away from it? Stay tuned. Today's video is one you don't want to miss.
Pakistan-India tensions and Simla Agreement. Background. Right now, Pakistan and India are standing on the brink of war. Pakistan has officially revoked the Simla Agreement, a bold and courageous move in response to India unilaterally stopping water flow to Pakistan and declaring the Indus Waters Treaty null and void. In retaliation, Pakistan has declared that blocking water is an act of war. But to understand the gravity of the situation, we must go back to how the Simla Agreement came into existence. The Simla Agreement was a major political pact signed on July 3, 1972, in the Indian city of Shimla. It was signed between the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, and India's Prime Minister Indira Gandhi following the 1971 war. The primary goal was to reduce tensions and ensure peace between the two countries. The Simla Agreement had several key points. 1. Bilateral dialogues. Both countries agreed to resolve all disputes, including Kashmir, through peaceful bilateral means. 2. Restoration of diplomatic relations. Diplomatic ties severed during the war were to be reinstated. 3. Redefinition of borders. The ceasefire line in Kashmir was renamed the Line of Control, LOC, with both sides agreeing to respect it. 4. No use of force. Both countries pledged not to use force against each other. While the agreement was seen as a step towards stability, many in Pakistan criticized it. They believed Bhutto weakened Pakistan's case on Kashmir by agreeing to handle it bilaterally, which allowed India to ignore international resolutions, including those by the United Now. India has gone a step further by cutting Pakistan's water, a direct violation that could lead to war. Pakistan has warned that if India continues this aggression, Pakistani missiles will destroy India's dams. Global dynamics are also shifting. The U.S., under Donald Trump's earlier assurance, had promised to help resolve the Kashmir issue. China has also voiced strong support for Pakistan, stating that Kashmir rightfully belongs to Pakistan.
The situation now resembles the pre-partition days of 1947. With no treaties left, Pakistan sees a clear opportunity to reclaim Kashmir. India stands largely isolated, supported only by Israel and France, and the world witnessed how Pakistan responded to Operation Sindoor, India's failed military attempt. Pakistan's response was swift and devastating, showcasing the unmatched power of its armed forces.
The situation now resembles the pre-partition days of 1947. With no treaties left, Pakistan sees a clear opportunity to reclaim Kashmir. India stands largely isolated, supported only by Israel and France, and the world witnessed how Pakistan responded to Operation Sindoor, India's failed military attempt. Pakistan's response was swift and devastating,
The path forward,
showcasing
diplomatic
the unmatched
military
power
showdown
of its
and
armed
India's
forces.
terror network exposed. Diplomatically, Pakistan is gaining ground. Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has presented Pakistan's case effectively at the United Nations, highlighting how India is not only spreading disinformation globally, but also actively sponsoring terrorism within Pakistan. Clear evidence has been shared that proves India's involvement in terror attacks across Balochistan and other parts of Pakistan. Extremist organizations such as RAW-sponsored BLA, Balochistan Liberation Army, and TTP, Tehrik-e-Taliban Pakistan, have been carrying out coordinated attacks on security forces, educational institutions, and even targeting innocent children in areas like Quetta, Gwadar, and Swat. These groups are armed and trained by Indian agencies across the Afghan border, using Afghanistan as a base to destabilize Pakistan internally. India's goal has always been to create unrest in Pakistan and portray it as unstable to the world. But now, the truth is out. International media and global intelligence communities are beginning to acknowledge that India is not a victim of terror. It is a state sponsor of it.
Now, with undeniable evidence, the word is aligning with Pakistan. If India too continues its aggression, third-party intervention is inevitable. China, the US, the U.N., and even the Saudi Arabia are likely to get involved. This is no longer a bilateral matters. It has become a global crisis between two, nuclear power. If India too continues to provoke, the situation could